y'all, it's me, Libby, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be collaborating with Double Dip Nails. I am showing you guys how I did these ombre nails. I also did my other hand, and they're rainbow colors. This is their Double Dip Rainbow collection. They are based out of Texas. They are women owned, and everything is vegan and cruelty free. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what you think of this set, and I'll see you later. All right, guys, so I'm opening up this kit. I'll make sure I leave the link in the description box. I really enjoy anything I get from Double Dip because they usually give you a ton of stuff for, you know, an affordable price. So this kit came with the bag, the dipping liquids, some nail stickers, this cute little, I guess, rainbow color duster brush. Is real soft. I like the brush. And it also came with the instructions and some nail designs. All of their kits come with some nail buffers, nail files, extra brushes, the dipping liquid. You always get some type of coupon or free gift in their boxes. You get a lot for your money, okay? So if you're new to dipping, this kit comes with the activator, the brush cleaner, the base coat, and the top coat. So these are the 6 colors that came in the kit. They're absolutely cute. They're like a soft rainbow pastel look. So I have not done dip powder in a long time. I typically use my dip powder as acrylic with monomer because it's just quicker for me. So this time I wanted to do it the traditional route. Now I prefer to apply the base and pour. However, I noticed this time around the consistency of the base was a little bit different. It had more of a gel base. Normally it's more of a glue feel, like, you know, just like kind of brush on glue. This time it had more of like a jelly consistency. So after I did this hand, I was like, okay, let's try something different because I was getting a lot of those little, I don't even know what you call it, like thick pieces, and which is crazy because this powder is super, super soft and fluffy. So when I got to my other hand, I decided to go ahead and try to do it a little bit different. So in a few seconds, I'll come back and show you guys that. So I did that other hand. I did like 3 or 4 coats to get it to the thickness I needed. And then I came over here. Now this is I'm working on my dominant hand with my non-dominant hand. So this is where I'm kind of like, okay, girl, this is not, something is up with this base. I actually really like the base better, but I was like, the method I'm using just is not working for me. And I just wanted to keep it real. So I left this here, guys, so you can see me struggle. So right around here, I start to realize, hey, this has this gel consistency. Why not go ahead and apply it like a gel and then just, you know, apply the powder and let it sit, you know. I don't know. This is just where my mind was going. So right here, I'm like, I'm going to go ahead and kind of rock the gel back and forth as you would do like any type of, if you've ever worked with gel before, you know what I'm talking about. I went ahead and added the gel, and then I turned my finger upside down to allow my apex to fall where it may. So you can see me kind of adding more. I'm turning my finger over, let my apex fall, and then this time around, I poured the powder on the nail. Now, hold up, sis, hold up. I should have let this dry. However, I got a little antsy and I didn't let it dry thoroughly. So I ended up having to fix it do a little bit more filing. But now that I know what I'm doing, the next time I use this, because I definitely will be using these products again, I will definitely apply this in a gel-like matter, pour the powder, and then allow it to dry for like a good 5-10 minutes before I apply my activator. Because you're gonna see later on when I come in and apply my activator, I rushed it a little bit too much. So my 4-year-old did pick out this design, and she was very specific, guys. So I'm working my workspace on this video was extremely chaotic, not to mention she's literally standing right next to me trying to put her 2 cents in and add stuff. So like I said, at this point I realized what I was doing wrong. I went ahead and I applied my base in a gel-like manner, and then I poured the powder. So you can see how this process is going way smoother once I figured that out. Like, you'll just see these come together. So the next time I use this kit, I'm definitely going to do this. So I'll be coming back pretty soon with a better tutorial so you guys can come in and try this again. Now, I'm in that season of saving money, so it's just really important that I master these things that I love to do, and I hope that you guys can master with me. So the Save Your Coins series will continue, girls, because I am dedicated to helping you all struggle with me to get these nails and hair on our own, save us some money. Yeah, so after that, guys, I let the nails dry somewhat. I should have let them dry a little bit longer. I dusted them off. I applied the activator, which was where I went wrong once again, because now I'm having to do more filing to correct some of my flaws. But whatever, you live and you learn. So when I file my nails, I do the shape first. I come around on the sides, and then I go over the surface of the nail diagonally. I can't even talk. Diagonally. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I go at that angle, okay, guys? So then I can get the nails to have a better shape. And then I don't ever go straight across the nails, what I'm trying to say, because then that makes your nail flat. So I just always angle my nail file to keep that apex up. I am going to do a nail file video because a lot of you guys have been asking for more. So I will dedicate a video just for filing very soon. So after that, I buffed these nails. I'm using everything that came with the kit. I didn't feel necessary to use my e-file this time. And then I go under my nails and just smooth up any lumps or bumps that may be underneath there. When I'm done, guys, I come in and I apply the top coat. And before this coat dries, I actually apply a second coat, and that's it. Well, I also add my Parker J's cuticle oil. But that's it. I hope you guys love this video. Let me know what you think of these nails. They were a struggle, but I think in the end, I was able to save these nails. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you ladies on my next video. Bye.